Hey guys, what's up? I'm Morgan and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. It is another behind the scenes Sunday here, and I'm going to be talking to you guys all about my 2020 goals for my fashion brand and for my personal life just in general. I have not shared a vision board on here all of January, and I feel like I'm going to let you guys in just a little bit more into my strategic planning life, because that's what I do. Also because it's really important to put things out into the universe so that the universe can bring it back. Sorry about all the shadowing. It's my light. I don't have my studio light set up right now, but whatever. I'm going to show you guys how I created my digital vision board using Pinterest, as well as the app on my phone that I've talked about before in this video right here. So let me show you guys exactly what I did and what I'm up to for 2020. Okay, you guys, so now we are in my screen once again, and this is my Pinterest page. I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how I use Pinterest to create my digital vision board. The reason why I use Pinterest, you guys, is because I'm on here every single day without failure. Okay, this is something that I always go to. It's something that I always will go to for inspiration, also for posting my own content. I get a lot of traffic from Pinterest onto my website as well as my YouTube channel, and my engagement and my analytics, everything is literally on an uphill right now. It's on an incline, so I use Pinterest for a lot. Pinterest is a really good tool. I am going to do a video about that. Let me know if you guys really want that video, because I think it'll be pretty cool to let you guys in on how I use Pinterest to create more engagement, not just for YouTube, because it has been doing a lot for YouTube, but also for my own personal branding. Yeah, let me know in the comment section below if that's something that you guys are looking forward to, or something you're just interested in, whatever. But anyway, here we go. So this is my Pinterest board, like I said, and you can see on my Pinterest page, I have different boards where I set up to keep in order. I love organization. So you can see that I have my new collection that just dropped on my website. Make sure you guys check that out and go shopping, that'll be cool. So this is just a bunch of new things that I dropped. This is all about fashion entrepreneurship, which is where I post most of my YouTube content. I also have fashion branding on here, fashion branding board, because I do have another business, which is Style Tech Media, which is launching on February 3rd, you guys, where I'm opening up my consulting and coaching business to the public. And, my heart is fluttering. I still have a lot of work to do, but we should be launching on February 3rd. But anyway, you can see all the boards down here, but these are all of my public boards. Now, my vision board, you can see where it says Mayhem Morgan 2020 Vision, this board right here that I'm circling. This is a board that I keep private, just like my business resources I keep private. And then the Mayhem 2020, which is just for my personal branding, I keep private. But I keep it private because it's just something that I want personally for me, but also because I go into this and I update it all the time, and it's just my vision. So, there's no point of making it public. So I'm going to click on this board right here. It says Mayhem Morgan 2020. And this is how I organize my digital vision board, or mood board, if that's what you want to call it. So as you can see, I've divided this into 5 groups. I have travel, I have health, mentality, business, and personal. And in each board, I put things in there that are going to be a direct reflection of what I want to accomplish in 2020. So for instance, let's just click on the travel board. In my travel board, I've uploaded pictures only of places like I really want to visit this year. And I have always wanted to visit Bali. My brother went and I was so jealous, and I'm like, oh my God, I have to go. So 2020, I definitely want to try to get to Bali, and I also want to get to Australia. The reason for Australia is a little bit more personal for me. One, because one of my top visitors, oh my God, one of my top visitors for my website is always Australia. And it's because Australians wear bikinis all the time. They go to the beach a lot. So, oh my God, I'm like choking on candy that I had earlier. But I definitely want to go there. So I put pictures of Bali. I put pictures of Australia, things that represent Australia. It doesn't have to be the actual word. It just has to be something that you are going to be able to familiarize yourself with. I also have a picture right here. As you can see, this picture, it just says, oh, wait, go back up. This is a picture of a beach in Los Angeles, which is where I'm located. And I also want to start having more staycations within my own, home, because we have a lot of beautiful places that people don't even explore. So that's something I want to do. But let's go back to here, the board. So you can see creating a digital vision board is a little bit more neater because it's just on your phone. You can access it anytime you want on your desktop or whatever. But you can also find pictures easily because we're right here on Pinterest, and Pinterest is a big search engine. So for business, let's go down to the business board. So my vision for 2020 when it comes to my business is I definitely want to start offering more, and that's why I'm launching my business publicly. My Style Tech Media business, which is a consulting business for young entrepreneurs and new brand startups and things like that. And so I want to open that up. I've only been working right now on referrals, and it's been amazing. I didn't realize that the turnout was going to be the way it is, but so far so good. And I have the knowledge and know-how to extend my expertise into certain realms of the coaching and consultation business. So I'm going to do that. You can see I've already added this. And if you haven't checked it out, the link is below. It's a free download. And I created this workbook for fashion entrepreneurs that are struggling to figure out their brand identity. It's a really good workbook. You get it instantly. It's a digital download. So just click on the link below. It says Fashion Branding Checklist, and it will take you to this. So I want to push that more. I already have a few hundred downloads, and I thought that was crazy, but I did run a Facebook ad for that, and so many people jumped on it, and it's been amazing. So that's one thing. Another thing is I want to upgrade my tech. So I have to upgrade all of my tech this year. Hopefully, I think within the first quarter of the year, I should be upgrading all of my tech. I am going to upgrade my camera, my computer, everything, software. So that's another thing, just to give you a glimpse into that. Obviously, I put money on there because I want to make more money this year. And a big goal of mine, one of the biggest goals as far as my business is going, as far as YouTube business, is I made this right here. I made this picture using Canva, and I put just my YouTube name, obviously, and then I changed the subscriber count. I want to try to get to 80,000 subscribers this year in 2020. I know it's a lot because I'm still under 200 subscribers, so it's crazy. But the reason why I put this is because of the tweaks that I've been doing behind the scenes on my YouTube channel, which has increased my watch time by so much just within the last 2 months alone. I started my channel in August last year, so I don't think this is I don't think this is hard to do. I just think you have to be consistent. So this is one of my bigger goals. So let's get out of there. And it's the same thing, you guys. I'm telling you, like, creating this is really cool. But let me take you guys into my phone so I can tell you how I organize my mood board to be right on my phone, how you can make it a screensaver if you want, anything like that. So let's get into my phone right now. Okay, guys, so now that we're in my phone, I'm going to be showing you guys exactly what I used to make my digital mood board for my phone as well. So I can take it off of Pinterest and put it into my phone so I can create screensavers and all kinds of stuff. So I'm in my photo editing folder right here. I'm going to scroll over to the app that says Turbo Collage. Make sure you guys check out that video right over there, because in that video, which is, I think it's called the best apps for fashion brands or fashion boutiques, I go over a lot of apps that I use on a regular basis, and this is one of those apps. So now that we are inside of Turbo Collage, I'm going to click on the folder that says Collage Library, and I'm going to click on the collage with all the Pinterest pictures that I transferred to my phone. So all you have to do if you're on Pinterest, you can just save them to your phone. Just click the top button and click save, and then it'll download to your phone. If you're on your desktop, obviously you can put all those pictures together and then just transfer them in an email and then take them from your email and save it to your phone. It's a lot easier if you just download the Pinterest app on your phone and just save it. It's less hassle, okay? But anyway, here go some of the pictures that I transferred from Pinterest. You can see I have the 80,000 subscribers that I want to achieve. You can see I have a picture, I have quotes and stuff where it says, this one says, trust the process. Just little things like that. It says, trust the process. All you have to do, you see the little tab on the app with the little circle that I'm touching right now that's moving it. You just go zoom in and zoom out just by pulling it up and down, and you can twist it and turn it however you want. But here's all the pictures that I wanted to transfer. I have stuff to do with mentality, which is the trust the process. I have health. I put my own pictures as health goals because I actually was in the best shape of my life last year, like around this time, around January. I was super into my fitness. I was going to the gym regularly. I was working out regularly, and I am my own body goal. So I put myself there because I want to get back to that body. I'm almost there, but I want to get back to this body. And I put Bali on there in big words. I have pictures of Bali, as you can see, just up there. I have more quotes where it says consistency is more important than perfection. And my word of the year is consistency. I am trying to create a habit of being very consistent and showing up for myself. So that's something I wanted to put on there. I put money on here as well. Another quote that I put is, what you focus on is what multiplies. And I really believe that. And it's been proven just through this YouTube channel alone. I'm starting to get really good analytics and stuff like that. So that is awesome. I put my own little workbook on there to inspire me to create more workbooks, which I am, and they'll be out soon. I have housing goals, like apartment goals when I want to update. I'm in the process of like home buying, so it's a little difficult because I can't make up my mind and I'm always stopping and going and stuff like that. So I have like decor type stuff, obviously more health stuff. I have office goals, what I want my office to look like. I have like tech stuff on there with computers and stuff like that, like I showed you guys within my Pinterest. But here's most of it. And I also have a car goal that I want this year. I don't know, maybe towards the end of the year, I'm thinking, but I definitely want to update and upgrade my car. So, you know, I'm not even going to get rid of my car. I'm just going to keep it and get another one because I actually love my car, but I definitely want a new car. So that's something I also want to achieve this year. But now that everything is on here and you can see like everything is in this app, if you press the little button, like I said before, again, watch that video, you guys. It's really good. And I go more in depth on it, but this is just a collage. It will just like, you can keep I'm losing my train of thought. You can keep pressing this little refresh button and it will change the layout of the pictures to different little layouts and things like that. Also, you can change it to wait, go back, sorry. You can change the background color if you want. Let's say you want that color, like a bright pink, you can change it to pink. You can also click back on the tool and you can select border styles. You can make them plain where your images are just plain around the edges, or you can change it to like a photo type style. You can also do things where you can auto rotate it. You can put shadows on the pictures if you want, where it's like a little shadow in the background, but you can also rearrange them however you want just by using your hand. So that's another thing, because you can just make it better for you to look at, and you can arrange it however you want. Just keep sliding the pictures around, moving it, just manipulating the photos to where it makes sense to you. And that works as well. So let me show you guys how I saved mine, and I hope you like it. Hold on. Okay guys, so that is my vision board right here on the screen. Are you guys liking it? Do you love it? Do you think this is a cool way to do vision boards rather than having to cut out a bunch of magazine clippings? Everything is just like right at your fingertips, and I prefer it that way. However, I am going to go get this printed out because I do want an actual printout of it, but I think I'm going to put it in a frame, a picture frame or something. I don't know, make it cool. I'll update you guys when I figure that out, but I do want to print it out. But here is my vision board, you guys. Do you think this is possible? Do you think it's achievable? Like, can I get to 80,000 subscribers this year? Can I get a new car this year? Like, what can I do? Can I upgrade my tech this year? What am I gonna do? I also included, I don't know if you can see it on the screen on my vision board, I'm trying to get a $10,000 month with my swimwear brand. So, you know, I am pumping out content, you guys, because consistency is the word. So that's it for today's video, guys. Let me know if you guys like this idea. Let me know if you guys are going to try this idea, if you're going to implement my own little strategy into creating a vision board digitally. Let me know if you try this. If you do, please tag me if you decide to share it publicly on my Instagram, which is right here on the screen as well. It's also down low in the description box. So holla at your girl. I'll see y'all later on the next video, which is coming on, oh damn, it should be Monday. Fingers crossed.